Hi there, I'm Bee, and I'm here to make lots of words. Are you ready? Let's have some fun. BAT bats are known for their ability to fly, and they come in various sizes, from as small as a bee to as large as a bird. Bus is a large vehicle that is designed to transport a large number of people. It is commonly used for public transportation, school transportation, and group travel. Box. A box is used to keep things safe and protected. So next time you receive a gift or see a box at the store, remember that it is a box that helps keep things safe and ready for us to enjoy. For more, please subscribe at KidLitLearning on YouTube.